Welcome everyone to another brand new video, and today in this video I am going to test the Redmi 10C details camera review. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. So right now the smartphone running MIUI 13 with Android 11, and this smartphone long time for review coming very soon on my YouTube channel. So don't miss the video, subscribe right now and press the bell icon. So let's move on the main video. The Redmi 10C comes with dual camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor with 1.8 aperture, 2 megapixel depth with 2.4 aperture, and the front is come with single 5 megapixel selfie camera with 2.2 aperture. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video, and the video quality is average quality, not so good. So now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with lot of details, all the images, color correction, dynamic range and sharpness, it's so good. Especially I like this smartphone portrait mode. Portrait mode you can take a pretty much good photo. And the 5 megapixel selfie camera you also take a pretty much good selfie. So let's see more picture sample. So this is all about Redmi 10C camera review after 2 months. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and subscribe the channel. See you to another video. I am Shadat from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.